fun, Bayou Golf. It's raining, but I'm playing. What do you do when it is raining? Do you go home or do you keep going? Well, I got my old Frog Togs here. We got cart path golf, and we're going to aim for the cart path. This is number 1-3-14. And as you can imagine, the range was closed, so no warm up. Frog Togs away. All right, right there by the cart path where we needed it. Now this is, like I said, cart path only, so it's going to take you for a little ride. I tell you what, we got flooded. Oh my Lord, did we get flooded. But we're still here. We're still playing. You got to do what you got to do, right? You wait all week to go play in the rain? What you going to do, man? All right, let's go see if we can find that ball. Oh. Yeah, it's still running right now. It's still coming down, but I'm hoping to get out of these Frog Togs soon. But we will see. All right, let's see. Oh, there it is. All right. Yeah, we're in the fairway. That goes good down to the stack. All right. Well, once again, the old brake problem. But we got it now. All right. Now, we need multiple clubs, but what do you get a little reading from the cart path? All right, I got that. So we're going to take a few clubs here. Like I said, if this gets too long, folks, I'll trim it up and I'll see what I can do for you. I know you guys don't like long videos, and that's okay. All right, here we go. Yeah, this is number 1. This is one of the better holes that drains, and I guess you can see what we're dealing with here. But we all right. We playing golf, and that's what matters. Okay. So to the flag, I had 160, I think, if my memory serves me right. There's the flag up there, so we're going to take another look. Ooh, okay. That's down to 143. All right, I think I got 3 clubs here to work from. I always take one from the middle and one from the top and one from the bottom. All right. As the rain is falling down. All right, let's go see. That was flirting with the sand traps. And I can tell you this, that sucker's gonna be full of water. So I'll be telling y'all right now, I'll be pulling it out of the sand trap. I mean, what do you guys do? When it's wet sand, when those sand traps are wet, do y'all have a little rule that y'all play by? We do. If it's wet, pick it up, no penalty. No penalty. All right, let's see here. All right. I don't see it on the green. I don't see it close to the green, so it's got to be in the trap. So let's go. Come on, there you go. Let's go find out. Oh, the wind's starting to pick up now. It's all right. That's all right. It's all in the head. It's all in the head. All right. Now then. Yep, I see it in the trap. We got to get in there and get it out. Hope we don't trip and fall with these brand new knees I got. Play it? Okay, sure. All right, but we won't advance it. We're gonna put it back here. All right. All right, so here we are. Got to go over that sand trap and get on the green. I didn't bring my faithful 9 with me. I brought me a pitcher wedge, which should be all right. All right. I don't know. I know Mr. Green likes to see that ball, and I don't blame him. I don't blame him. I do too. All right. All right, we got to do a little pitch. And I would tell you this, I see a lot of people with their hands too far out, and then they start getting handsy with this. I like it club closer in, shaft in a natural lean, puts the hands in front of the ball with a nice body move. Just a nice tempo body move. I'd say that was pretty good myself, if you don't mind me saying that. All right, so that's where we went, right there. Got a, let's see, 1, 2, up on 3. Got a little par putt on a rainy day. I'll take that. Not even sure how the green is going to be rolling, but there we are. There we are. Okay. Take a little back shot, see where we, all right, see that's where we came over, right there. Now, let's see if we make a little par here. Okay, we got us a little par to start off the round, and that's always good. Okay, folks, it's a rainy day, but I will get you another.